Hello and welcome back to Dominator 675 Modelling, and today we have got the first of the series called Modeler of the Week, which I'll hopefully continue going on. But before that, I'll explain how you can enter the competition. So to enter the competition, you need to first have Discord and be in my Discord server. The link is in the description and it is completely free to join. There are 80 members in my Discord and it is very active. Don't worry about that. I have a multitude of different channels, and you can even see the ones here that you guys don't see. Yeah, I have a multitude of different channels, and you whack them in subscriber submissions. You should be able to find that quite easily, and you can get this both on PC and mobile. So the only way you can enter is by my Discord. So let's get back to the video. So as you can see, this is a Chaffee M24 Chaffee made by my good friend Kiwi, as known on the Discord server. He has made this pristine model. As you can see, the little details and the wash and the rivets all look like the proper tank, and this is a perfect ideal of photography. When you're photographing your models, you need to take them outside and where they would actually be fighting in the way you've done it. You can see the detail on the gun here. Again, it looks really nice, and the details have not been washed, not been knocked out by thick paint. So I really must congratulate this modeler on his superb modelling skills and photography skills, quite actually. He has got 2 cameras on his phone, but it is still very nice model. You see the little chippings right there, which makes it very nice to look at too. So congratulations, and if you did enjoy this video and want to join as well, you need to join the Discord in the link below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next. I cut out that, so I'm going to say the next one. Goodbye.